Well, as we as a community continue to try to live day to day, adjusting to our new normal, businesses around the city are, of course, doing the same thing. There are many changes in policies and daily procedures. This morning, we want to talk a little bit about the court system and some of these civil cases that are making their way through the courts. Here with us today, Adam Haselsteiner with Doug Carter and Associates right here in Johnson City. Adam, thanks so much for joining us today.
Thanks for having me, Amy.
Well, this is kind of one of those things you don't think about unless you are in the mix right now, and that's the court system, and certainly seeing a lot of changes there.
Absolutely. I know the number one concern that we have right now is that the courts aren't open for in-person hearings. Now, that does mean that some cases will be delayed, but at the same time, we're able to still get a lot of things through that don't actually need a trial or anything like that, which some of our divorces, especially the agreed ones, we can still get all that through. The judges are still in their office as long as we can get the paperwork over there. Then they can still sign orders and close cases and all those things for us.
Has it slowed down the process? I mean,
actually, no, it hasn't slowed it down at all. Now, for contested matters where we need trials and things like that, obviously there will be a delay. You know, we can't do any of that without an in-person hearing. So some things will be delayed, but as far as taking in new business, we have no problems there. We can still file cases. The courts are open for us to file cases. I was just there this morning, actually. They're a little bit more guarded than normal.
Yeah, you said it was definitely an experience.
It was. They have all the deputies out front making sure that it's absolutely necessary that each person entering the courthouse is, you know, like I said, necessary to go in. So it is a little bit of a different environment, but we are still able to get a lot of the things done that we normally do.
It is interesting. Everybody's just kind of adapting, and every day we get a little bit better at trying to find this new normal. And one of the things that you guys are doing is, of course, dealing with that on a day-to-day basis. You want to see your clients. Of course, now, not that time. So you guys have come up with some new ways to have those meetings.
That's right. You know, just in light of everything that's going on, we thought we'd create a new system for intaking our clients and giving advice and things of that nature. And what we've come up with is there's an app called Zoom. It's, you know, kind of like FaceTime or Skype or anything like that, but it's a secure app, and it's also free. So available to anyone. All you have to do is download it, sign into your account, and then we could deal with you over the video chat rather than actually having you come in person, whether you have that concern or you're stuck at home with your kids or what your situation is. We can still resolve it for you.
And it's interesting you said, too, it is a secure app, which is one of those things when you're meeting with your attorney, you want to make sure that it's a private meeting.
Absolutely. This is the app that the court system, if we ever have to do any remote testimony, this is the one they require us to use because it is secure that way. But the system that we've kind of come up with is, you know, if you want just a consultation, as we would normally have you come into the office, what you can do instead is call our office, and our paralegal Angela, who answers the phone, will take your information, take your consultation fee, get your phone number, and then I'll set up a meeting via Zoom and give you a call, and we can be face-to-face remotely just like that.
And one of the things I really like about your law office is that you, and of course Doug Carter as well, so many years of experience in really helping people. I can only imagine just what this country as a whole going through right now, and then adding on top of it some of the things that you guys are working with. So it's always nice to have the experience and the compassion.
Oh, well, I appreciate that, Amy. And yeah, one thing that Doug wanted me to mention is, you know, your legal problems aren't going away, so that's why we're trying to come up with all these different methods to resolve them in the meantime, despite all the craziness out there.
Well, and I like how you address the courts so we know what is actually happening. Things are moving, they are progressing, just along different routes and roads.
Exactly.
All right, and we can always get a hold of you guys just downtown in Johnson City.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we'll give everybody the information. Thanks so much for what you're doing. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you.
A lot of useful information. If you need to get in touch with them, here is their information, their address, their phone number, as well as the website, and they will be glad to help you out and do it even remotely. We'll be right back.